Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. All right, so we made it up to 4,300. We traded as high as 43.0575. We're just consolidating up here. Some fairly relatively low range days consolidating on either side of 4,300. So go to the hourly, you can really see it there. So, I mean, today's webcast is going to be pretty short and sweet because it's the same thing I told you yesterday. The issues are, can the bulls convert 4,300 and start to extend up to some prices like 43.17, 43.33, things like that? Or instead of consolidating, does the consolidation break to the downside? If it does, then you're looking at the weekly pivot down at 42.53. The low from yesterday was 68.5. Which was a lower low relative to Monday, but that happened very early in the day, and you spent the rest of the time just literally banging around between 42.90s, low 42.90s, and 42 the 42.75 area. It was whippy. It wasn't the funnest thing in the world to trade. You really couldn't hold a runner. We could get some middles, things like that. It was fine as far as being able to find handles is concerned, but it was a very whippy tape, a very uncertain tape, which, is not out of the realm of expectation for a tape that in the bigger picture is fighting over whether or not it wants to trade above 4,300. You've got volume weighted average price, 42.89. Hourly mid-band, 42.88. Proprietary moving average is 42.86. Daily pivot is 42.85. Your Globex range last night was 14 handles. So it's tight. It's tight. So I almost didn't do a webcast today, but I came on here really to say one thing. It was what I left you with yesterday. Don't overtrade this. Don't overtrade this. There will be better tapes to trade soon. If the thing wants to move and give you what you need, that's fine. But don't bang on it and bang on it and bang on it. Especially in the overnight session. I know a lot of people in Europe watch this. Leave this thing alone. It's not doing anything for you. I mean, it's not doing anything for you. It gave you a little bit off the open, the Europe Open, which was like 10 handles. But the tape has to decide what it wants to do with 4,300. Bottom line. Until it's finished with that, you can expect the price action on an hourly chart. That's not a 5-minute chart. That's an hourly chart to look a whole heck of a lot like that. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Short and sweet today for a market that honestly is pretty boring. All right. Take care. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.